Our products are designed to clean the world around us, helping preserve the environment for future generations. Challenging projects such as Leachate and industrial wastewater treatment have always been JIARONG Technology's focus, and they remain our areas of expertise. We provide customers with top-quality environmental protection equipment as well as BOO and or BOT services. Today, JIARONG Technology employs more than 700 people and possesses some 30,000 square meters of automated production lines. JIARONG has more than 10 subsidiaries or joint stock companies located in regions and countries around the world, from Beijing, Nanjing and Chongqing in China to Germany and even the United States. The company is publicly traded on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange 301148 and has assets worth $300 million. Innovation is a cornerstone of JIARONG. We work closely with a host of institutions, including Xiamen University of Technology and Shenzhen University, to research new technologies and improve our current product range, meeting the needs of customers in a diversity of industries. We've created a host of filtration systems based on various technologies, from DT, high-pressure membrane modules and tubular membrane equipment, to mobile Leachate treatment and transfer systems, low-temperature, negative pressure eye-flash evaporators, and containerized high-pressure membrane systems. These technologies help our clients safely and effectively treat landfill leachate, petrochemical waste, mining runoff, and much more. Beyond our core products, JIARONG has built a nationwide after-sales and service network to better address customer needs. Tapping into the power of a cloud-based big data platform, we can analyze information for the entire life cycle of our equipment and manage it all intelligently, reducing costs and heading off any problems before they become bigger and costlier headaches. Our cloud-based platform ensures we deliver the highest standards of quality with unparalleled professionalism. By the end of 2021, JIARONG has successfully implemented more than 500 projects worldwide. These can be found in various provinces, cities and autonomous regions of China, as well as in many countries including Angola, Brazil, Colombia, Japan, Singapore and the United States. Making things easier for customers and improving their efficiency, JIARONG can implement complex or advanced technologies with ease. Our goals are to deliver top-quality products and services that not only meet the diverse needs of clients, but also help clean and protect our precious environment for future generations. JIARONG is already an expert in difficult sewage and wastewater treatment, but that isn't stopping us from boldly pushing forward, developing new technologies for ever broader markets to improve the world for all mankind. A cleaner, brighter future is possible with JIARONG. We are committed to becoming the leading environmental technology company in China, as well as the top membrane technology company in the world.